We're Spectrum. We provide design all the way through to implementation of interior office spaces. Our aim isn't just to build you a good-looking office, it's to help you grow your business. Our part in that is to create an environment for growth to happen. Our people have years of industry knowledge on products, working styles, and an incredibly personal approach to design that will help you maximise your workplace investment to motivate the people in it.
So tangible benefits we've had in our workforce particularly relate to things like communication, faster communication. Every month we run an ENPS, that's an Employee Net Promoter Score, posing a question to all our staff: how likely are you to recommend MEON as a place to work? The graph, when we moved in here, hit the roof.
We found Spectrum Workplace really easy to deal with, and the promises they made were all met, both in terms of cost and timescale and the look of the place at the end of the day. It's been a joy.
Examples of everything we can offer is available in our state-of-the-art showroom, which you're welcome to come and visit.